In the functional verification test of mobile CNG compressed natural gas refueling stations, liquid nitrogen is used as the simulation medium. First, liquid nitrogen is introduced into a vaporization unit, where it is converted into gaseous nitrogen at ambient temperature through heat exchange. Subsequently, the gaseous nitrogen enters a pressurization system and is compressed to a high-pressure state that matches the actual operating conditions for CNG during normal operation. Once the pressure stabilizes, the high-pressure nitrogen is injected into the CNG storage cylinders of the refueling station, simulating the storage conditions of real natural gas. At this point, the refueling station can start the complete fueling process by simulating the whole process: delivery, metering, refueling. It checks if core equipment pressurization system, pipelines, refueling nozzles work steadily, pipelines are tight, and the control system coordinates well. This ensures the station can operate safely when it later fuels with real natural gas.